National Cross Country Championship 2026. And the rules of this event, that is cross country, is every finisher will score points equal to his finishing order. That is, the athletes who finish first will score 1 point, second will score 2 points, third will score third points, fourth will score fourth points, and it will be followed like this. The team championship will be decided by the aggregate points recorded by the scoring athletes of each team. The team with lowest aggregate points will be declared as the winner. Suppose a team fails to finish with a complete scoring, that is 4 finishers. The runners finishing shall be counted as individual in the race result, and they will be eligible for the individual awards only and will not be considered for team championship. As the team comprises of 6 athletes for cross country, the aggregate for team championship to the scoring of the finishing team shall be made in respect of non-scoring team runners or of the individual entries. And the remaining events which will be held after this event, that is 10 kilometers run for men, we have started at 8 hours, and next we have at 9 hours it is 10 kilometers for women. After that we have 10 hours is 8 kilometers for men under 20, 10:55 hours is 6 kilometers for women under 20, followed by 11:40 hours 6 kilometers for boys under 18 years. 12:15 hours is 4 kilometers for girls under 18, and the last event will be start at 12:50 hours. It is of 12:50 hours is 2 kilometers boys under 16 and 2 kilometers for girls under 16. The last event will start at 13:10 hours. 68th National Cross Country Athletic Championship we are witnessing at Kutiatu Army Ground, Namkum, Ranchi, Jharkhand. The first pack of the athletes, they have almost covered more than 2 loops, that is more than 4 kilometers. And the time of the day, the distance covered, leg ranking, chip timing, pace timing, we are getting from this competition for cross country. Next athletes, they are Ramesh, Dhruv, S. Pratap Rao, Ranjit, Rambit, Ravinder, Ketan, Sandeep, Sai Santosh, Vishnu, Bura around. Total number of athletes, they are taking part in 10 kilometers run for men category, 173. Representing states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, SSCB, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Punjab, Puducherry, Orissa, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, All India Police, Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh. And the teams, All India Police, they are representing Balram, Guru Prasad, Kailash Chaudhary, Prince Kumar, Anil Pandya, Rishipal Singh, C.H. Rajesh. The team representing Andaman Nicobar, they are C.H. Rajesh and Abhijit Majumdar. And the present timing is 18 minutes 21 seconds. And it is of great interesting right now. The audience are very much excited for their athletes' performance as this is a 68th National Cross Country Championship 2026 at Kutiatu Army Ground, Namkum, Ranchi. Around 173 athletes are taking part in this event. Total number of teams are 30 in this 10 kilometers run for men category. And for Andhra Pradesh, the participating athletes are Rama Surya Gane Anakapalli, Nagendra Bomimi, Johnny Pogaratha, Jasari Ravi, Ramesh Vanthala, and Maji Vedvayas. Bihar team athletes are Muhammad Ainul Haq, Pavan Kanonija, Kundan Kumar, Mahendra Kumar, Anand Prakash, Sandeep Yadav. Chandigarh, there is only one athlete, Sahil Gill, followed by the team is Chhattisgarh. Athletes are Parvez Manish Kumar Dhrube, Ravi Gulia, Vivek Kumar Jaiswal, Kausheldar Singh Rana, and Bhupinder Sahu. Delhi, there are 4 athletes, Shivam, Sachin Chaurasia, Deepak Kumar, Akash Kohali, Ajay Bin. Goa, the team Goa representing is Yash Shiva Kirkar, Vishnu Meena, and Ajay Bin. The Gujarat team's participants are Ashwini Kumar Bhambayania, Pal Pradap, Sangam Chauhan, Ranveer Kumar Singh, Lalit Nishad, and Amira Raj. And the present timing is 20 minutes 26 seconds. As the rule is for cross country, the finisher will score points equal to their finishing order, that is the who finish. The athlete who finish first will score 1 point, 2 will score second 2 points, 3 will score 3 points. It will be followed like this. After the announcement, I want to say one thing, that is, if the team fails to finish with a complete scoring team, that is 4 finishers, the runners finishing shall be counted as individuals in the race result and be eligible for the individual awards only, and will not be considered for team championship, as the team comprises of 6 athletes. If there is less athletes, they will be eligible for the individual award only and not be considered for the team championship. And the athletes from Haryana, they are Avkash, Ankit, Rahul, Rohit, Savan, Ramikesh, and from Himachal Pradesh it is Dhruv, Pankaj, Rohit, Amit Kumar, Ravinder Kumar, Ketan Singh. The Jammu and Kashmir participants are Rajinder Kumar, Pankaj Sharma, Ritik Sharma, Balvinder Singh. Jharkhand, they are representing Lalu Kalundia, Ranjit Kisku, Deepak Kumar Thakur, Neeraj Patel, S. Pratap Rao, Vijay Rao, Karan Ghandule. From Karnataka, they are Sangamesh Magadum, Mahesh Kumar P, Onkar Pahankal, A.R. Rohit, and Reva Nasid Sarev. Kerala, Benjamin Babu, Rijin Babu, Manoj M, Anjmal MF, Nabil Sahil MP, and Sandeep Vasudeva Krishna. Followed by Ladakh, the participants are Nasrullah Elia, Gulam Haidar, Stanjin Lotus, Sering Stobgais. Lakshadweep, Mohammad Yasin, Nisamuddin BC, Lamrat P, and Vikas Kumar Win. From Madhya Pradesh, Khem Singh Patel, Vinod Singh, Ankit Verma, Akhilesh Yadav, Raju Yadav. Gaurav Bhosle from Maharashtra, Daji Humale, Sumant Rajbhar, Chaitanya Rupnar, Raj Tiwari, Ishwar Jirwal, Guru Mayum Gulsan Sharma, Lesharam Johnson Singh, Befit Jenos Konthoujam from Manipur, Monu Kumar, Khaidam Shitaljit Singh, and Vaikom Thoisana Singh from Manipur. As the athletes, they have covered around 6 kilometers. After 6 kilometers, we can see the present timing is 23.24 seconds. It is the unofficial timing. After the completion of the race, we will get the official result for this event, that is 10 kilometers run for men final, 68 National Cross Country Championship 2026. And the participants from Meghalaya are Teibok Lam Biam, Monas Bongrung, Hasi Binson Marwain, Ibo Borlang, Crest Arjune, Marshall, Nahatei, Vede Chudamani Kshatriya from Orissa, Siddharth Gorjena from Orissa, Ashman Satyajit Pankaj from Orissa. And the next team is Puducherry. The athletes are Gautam. Next is Kishore, Vignesh, Yam Bahadur, Prashant K, and Mughalian S. From Punjab, it is Rinku, Tarun Kumar, Lakshadip Singh, Simran Singh, Sukhvinder Singh. And it is their 4 loops. They are starting their 4 loops. As they have completed 3 loops, they have started the 4 loops for this event, 10 kilometers men final. Next we have for railways, from railway sports, that athletes are Harish, Pradeep, Lokesh Chaudhary, Ankit Deshwal, Sunil Jina Bhai, Jayesh Patil and Rijwan. Rajasthan representing Rijwan, Naresh, Lokesh, Atul, Rampal, Aryan and Imran. As the athletes, they have covered more than 6 kilometers, that is 4 loops they have completed. One more after this loop, they have to go for 1 more loops to complete 10 kilometers men final. And those who have covered, those are in the progress of 4 loops. The present timing is 25 minutes 45 seconds. We can see the athletes are giving their effort for this run, 10 kilometers run final for men category. As there is a grass, the ground is uneven. As this is the categories, these are the characteristics of cross country race. You will the hard type of surface, difficult terrain. In this situation, the athletes have to handle the situation, they have to perform their best. As this is a team event, each and everyone, they used to run according to their best. Presently we are watching 10 kilometers men category. Next we have 10 kilometers for women, followed by 8 kilometers run for men under 20, then 6 kilometers for women under 20, 6 kilometers boys under 20, 4 kilometers girls under 18 and 2 kilometers boys under 16, and last is 2 kilometers for girls under 16. These are the events for today's championship at Kutiatu Army Ground, Namkum, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Next team, that is Sikkim. The participants are Imran Ansari, Damber, Kumar Basnet, Rinchen Lepcha. From SSCB, the athletes are Ankit, Prakash Rao Deshmukh, Gagan Singh, Harmanjot Singh, Raghunandan Singh and Rohit Verma, followed by Bharat MS. From Tamil Nadu, V. Monish, Pubarasan G, Manoj Kumar M, Srudhar R, Sugumar S and Deshitta Shiva. Representing Telangana, Meghavat, Sai Santosh, Bura Mahesh, Linganna, Vinay Mogali, Toko and Ajay Vind. And the teams, those are representing Uttar Pradesh. They are Ajay Vind, Ashish Pal, Puneet, Manish, Vishal, Sandeep, Vipin Chandra Joshi. They are from Uttarakhand. Lokesh Kumar, Rajesh Kumar, Rahul Pal, Anand Rawat. And the team West Bengal includes Ramjan Ali, Panchanan Bera, Jayanta Das, Anupam Mahata, and from Uttar Pradesh is one more participant from Uttar Pradesh is Muhammad Ali. Total 173 participants. They are in 10 kilometers men final. 68th National Cross Country Championship 2026. And the sun is rising. At the morning, it was feeling cold. Now onwards, it is the weather in cross country running. Records are a bit different than track and field because every course is unique. A 10-kilometer run on a flat, grassy golf course is much faster than 10 km on a rocky hill terrain like the one as at Kutiatu. However, we can look at the fastest times ever clocked in recent national championships and the standing Indian national records for the 10 kilometers. The, the last championship that it was held at Mirat, the 59th national championship 2025, the senior men 10 kilometers category, the best recorded time was made by SSCB services who come. The athletes are services SSCB is 29 minutes 43.46 seconds. Since cross country times vary by terrain, athletes aim for this gold standard set on the 10 kilometers, 10,000 meters on track. It is totally different from track. Men 10,000 meters run held by Gulbir Singh set in March 2025 in the USA is 27 minutes 00.22 seconds. And Gulbir Singh recently finished 48th at the 48th at the World Athletic Cross Country Championship at Florida on 10th January 2026 with the time 30 minutes 39 seconds. Avinash Sable clocked 31 minutes 43 at 2023 World Championship. We discuss later on when we will begin for women 10,000 meters run. Kaushaldar Singh ran, covered 9 kilometers. Akhilesh Yadav also covered 9 kilometers. That means 1 kilometer to go for them. They have almost covered 4.5 laps. Rohit Verma, Rajinder Kumar,